Okay, so I am going to do a quick screen recording of how to create a loyalty rewards order. So you're going to doTERRA.com. You're going to hover over this little man up here or woman and log in. You can use your ID or your email. You can have it save your password. Log in, and then once you're in here, this will pop up the first few times. If you have any friends who would like to get the discounted price like you just give them your link here. Just copy that. They'll get a free wholesale customer account, and you'll get 20% of whatever they order in credits to spend on anything you want. Okay, so once we're in here, you're automatically on the shop, and you're going to scroll down, and here is where you're going to create a rewards order. So this is where you're going to qualify for the free product of the month every month. You'll get free shipping if you order a certain amount, and you get exclusive benefits just for being a rewards member. So here is where you choose your date. If you want to get the free product of the month and you're going to order enough, that's why these are in purple. So you want to choose maybe the 13th and then save it and shop. But if you don't want to have a date that early, you can pick any date that's available. So I'm just going to stick with the 13th. You can change that later, by the way. So now you just start adding things to your cart. So I'm going to show you the foundational wellness bundle because this is what everyone's ordering lately, including me. So this includes the 3 foundational wellness products, but what's nice about this, because you're ordering it on rewards, it'll let you add on up to 3 of the following at huge savings. So I usually get the deep blue polyphenol because it's almost half price of what it would be normally wholesale. So that's a great value. You could get a box of the MetaPower Advantage Collagen plus NMN. Even though this says temporarily available, you, I believe, can still add the TerraZyme. If you need an extra, like you and your husband or you and your spouse are doing this and you need duplicates, you could add on another one of the 3 products at a discount. I don't know if it saves you a whole lot doing that. You could just get another bundle. And anyway, if you don't want anything, you just continue. And then what I find easier is to just go up here to your bag and hover over it and then scroll down to review order. And since this is the first time this person is ordering that foundational wellness bundle, they're getting the wellness starter gift, which is a 5 milliliter peppermint oil and a free glass shaker bottle, which is awesome. You can take it on the go. Or leave it at home, but it is awesome. That's a $30 value. And then you're going to get the free product of the month, because if you're using or ordering the foundational wellness bundle, you get the free product of the month no matter what the date is you ship your products. So anyway, normally it would be based on 125 PV, which this order is. So you would get it anyway, but since it's a foundational wellness bundle, you can get it all month long. Okay, so then you're just going to save it or proceed to checkout. If you need your items right away, you're going to click on proceed to checkout, and then you're going to actually process the order. It won't be finished until you hit process now. I'm not going to process this because I don't want this order right now, so I'm going to go back to review, and then I can just save it. But I wanted to show you before I do that, this is where your dollars will show up. If you refer a friend and they order, they'll show up right here, and that will just come off your total. And then your points will show up here, and 1 point equals $1. So you start out earning 10%, and as long as you're ordering 50 points every month, that will increase 5% every 3 months. So what store does that for you? Like, I earn 30% back on everything I purchase because I've been ordering for over a year. Anyway, you can also change the date here. If I decide I don't want it right away, I can change it to April 27th, save date and shop. Anyway, so that's just an overview of how you're going to get rewards. Down here is where you qualify for free shipping if it's 100 points or more. If it's 50 points or more, your shipping is only $3.99. You can turn off notifications for your cell phone. You can turn them on. You can change your email. You can change your payment. You can change the address. You could even have it shipped to your sister or a friend. But it's very flexible, and you can update it every month and get what you need. And I am going to go ahead and cancel this order, if I can figure out how to do that. Right here. Up here under my bag, I got to cancel because I do not want this order. This was just for the purposes of this video. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a great day.